Okay, so I'm gonna be preparing Jamaican jerk sauce, and these are the ingredients I have here: habanero, nutmeg and cinnamon, ginger, pimiento, thyme, scallion, garlic, soy sauce, sugar, and lemon juice. So we're gonna get busy with what we're gonna go in with our habanero, ginger, thyme, pimiento, uh, scallion. We're just gonna put this in. We don't need to chop this up because the machine is gonna chop it up. Garlic, sugar, azúcar, cinnamon and nutmeg, lime juice, and soy sauce. Con amore. And then we're gonna blend this. It's gonna be a bit noisy, so that's a part of the process. So we have a paste-like consistency here. Spicy. I wish you could smell the action that is going on. I'm gonna blend it a little bit more. Ooh, we have it. Perfect. Perfect.